Hey everyone, I'm Nick from AddEvent, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an RSVP event in AddEvent and then all the different ways you can share that event with your users. And when you log into your AddEvent account, you'll first see the dashboard here with your calendars on the left hand side, and here any events contained on those calendars. This is a brand new account, so I don't have any events created yet, but I can easily go ahead and do that either by clicking directly on the calendar right here to create an event, or hitting this create button in the upper left hand corner and selecting event. Once I'm in here, I can enter my event details. So we'll start off by saying let's call it a great RSVP event. It's very exciting. We'll use books because I love that emoji. Then you can enter internal name of event details, right? Let's say the 17th or 16th, right? Time zone. And to create an RSVP event, you simply check this RSVP box. This is going to use a standard RSVP form, but you can later go on and create custom forms where you can request custom information from your users when they're RSVPing. In the event description, we'll just say information about the event. We'll say this is a remote event, so we'll go ahead and use zoom.com, meeting link, whatever. Perfect. We'll go ahead and create that event then. And here is your, event details page. You can see all the details about your event and the sharing methods below. It's important to note when you create an event in the dashboard, it's now going to show up here so you can see the event that we just created. So if we go ahead and open up that event and go back to the event page, again, you'll see your RSVP event details here. And then these are all the sharing methods down below. When people RSVP for your event, their information will show up here in this attendees box. And then we also have some settings here where you can define the number of seats available for your event, set up some notifications for your attendees, and a few other settings as well. And there's 4 different ways that you can share your RSVP event. The first is via a landing page. We automatically host a landing page for every event that you create in the AddEvent platform. And it's going to look like this, right? So here's what we just created, a great RSVP event, information about the event. You can share this link with your users on social media, text it to them, anything else. They'll come here, they're like, oh, they can learn about the event, see the event details, and then they can respond. When they respond, they can say going, interested, or can't go. We'll say I'm going, and we'll say, test attendee, and test at addevent.com. And then register. And here you can see the location. So once I register, it'll say, boom, you're going to the event. I can then add the event to the calendar. So I use Google, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And voila, all of the event details track over here. So you can see the name, the location, information about the event, and I can go ahead and save this. And here it is. Now I'm not going to forget about it. If we go back in here then, and if we refresh this page, now you can see, boom, I have said I'm attending the event, going, here's the email, name, and then some other information based upon IP address that we automatically collect. And you're also able to email your attendees from this section as well. Some great functionality there. Other ways that you can share your RSVP event is with an RSVP button. You can very easily just copy this and paste this into your website. And it's going to look like this. We've already kind of done this, but boom. So we built this kind of test site for you. You can see RSVP right here. And again, that's going to open up a landing page where they can come and RSVP for your event and respond. Another way to do this is you can actually copy this same button and paste this directly into your email editor. And it's going to look like this. And again, same flow here, right? You're announcing your event. There's an RSVP button. I click here, and it's going to take me to this landing page, which provides a form where your users can RSVP for the event and tell you if they're coming or not. Additional ways that you can share this is you can actually embed an RSVP form directly onto your website. So again, we've done that here to kind of show an example. It's going to look like this. Register for our upcoming marketing webinar. You can hit respond, and then right here, it's got cookies, so it's remembering me. So test at addevent.com. And then I can go ahead and register for the event here without ever leaving your website. So you can collect RSVPs right on your website, which is really awesome functionality. And those are the ways that you can share your RSVP event. A couple other things to note. The landing page is completely customizable. as is this embeddable RSVP form on the website here to match the style of your website. And then this form that you're actually showing your users, right here we're collecting full name and email address, but that's totally customizable as well. So you could say favorite flavor of ice cream or anything else, any information that you want to collect from your users as they're letting you know if they're attending or not. Perfect. I hope that was helpful. And if you want to try out any of these sharing methods or create an RSVP and run your next event through AddEvent, go ahead and create an account and then come into the dashboard, create your event, and you'll be on your way. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day. Bye.